Here we go. Continuing on, Subterfuge box break number 817. It's a case of selects. Here's our next box. It's ending in... Yeah, still don't even know what this one's ending in, but I guess we'll never know. You got 6 teams hitless? Oh, you keeping track? Pretty good coverage if there's only 6 hitless so far already. Anything that isn't a base card is a hit. I didn't even roll out a no-hit bonus in this thing anyways. But I like to know who didn't get hits too. Daniel Bang, rookie card number 2 for Nashville. Autograph for Tampa and Rich, JT Brown. 3 bangs? Wow. There's 9 left in the game pack now. Hey, Nicholas Blanchard Prism version number 2. On the Kepper. This is where Matt says youth exploded all over itself. Yeah, and for Chicago, double strike of Marian Hossa. And rookie of Matthew Conan, number 2. Hey, oh, nice. Codfishy, number 20 of 25. Patch version. Patch auto, Peter Mrazek. That's a cool card right there. Mrazek stuff does it very well. If you're a reseller. Fire and Ice, Kirk Calgary. Keeping Todd from losing his temper, Mark Kundari. And for the Winnipeg Jets, Mike 420, Blake Wheeler, Prism version. 8 left in the game slab pack now. Letter bin. If you got a favorite player, you just buy the letter you want. And some of them are like really cheap, like $1 or something. Fire and Ice for the Anaheim Ducks and Aaron. It's Teemu Selanne. And for the New York Rangers and Matt, Derek Brassard, Prism version. Matt's like, oh yes. And, hey, there we go. Autograph for the Ottawa Senators, Corey Conacher. Out of $3.99. Not doing too bad with Ottawa so far. Cornerstones, Johnny Tays. Need that one, Bill? Hey, Jason Atkinson, rookie card number 3. Go figure. Oh, it's trade bait. Oh, from Montreal, Prism of Carey Price. That card would actually probably do pretty good. Nicholas Blanchard, yeah, there's been 2 Prism versions of Blanchard already. And here's this guy again. For the Columbus Blue Jackets and Kepper, it's Long Name Guy. That's his second name. Yeah, that sounds Chinese. Hey, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Alexi makes another appearance. Just under 4 minutes. Yes, here's our box number 72. Yeah, but is it the same as the other guy? Because his first name is different. Are they both pronounced the same? Four teams hitless. Yeah, I hate these mini packs. Why did they make this product with mini packs? Although, I dig this case. This stuff is like about $50 cheaper than when it first came out, so take advantage of that now. Hey, Pajot, rookie card number 2. Hey, Eric Greiba autograph number 2. Is this the same box? At least you're getting some nice value in top loaders when I ship that stuff. Matt. Hey, Pecorine, Prism version number 2. Marty Brodeur, New Jersey, has now got a hit. Yeah, and Chad Ruedel, Buffalo, rookie card. Oh, for the Jets, Michael Hutchinson with the Boston uniform on. Really? Oh, that Jets hit is a short print? Cool. Claude Giroux, the Kangaroo. And for the Buffalo Sabres, Cody Hodgson, Prism version. Cool. I always forget whose short prints are. Mike always knows. Andre Schuster, rookie card, normal version. I think you got the Prism version, right? Hey, look at this. The Ottawa sweep. Dave Drzinski autograph out of $3.99. Ottawa doing not bad. Yeah. Isn't there one more? Remember. Thomas Fleischman Prism again for Florida. Oop. For Montreal, Brendan Gallagher, select feature. And for Todd, Ben Hanowski, number 2. Oh no, that Hanowski was something else, wasn't it? Got a brick here. Oh, nice. Florida, kicking it up. Number 8 of 25. Jonathan Huberdeau, Prime, and Auto. Awesome one there for you, Rich. Is Rich in the room? It says Prime on it. It is a Prime seam. Here you go, bud. Fire and Ice for the Rangers. JT Miller. And for Todd, Camilleri to trade the Bug. Prism version. 9 minutes in. I'm making time. I'm making good time here. Nice. Coming in 1870. Rich quit too? Man, everybody's quitting. Quitters. This is a slow season. Wait till hockey season starts. have all those awesome UD products that are going to suck. I'll tell you one thing. I ain't be doing no case break black diamond. Alright. Well, unless you guys know. Next box. Hey, Cameron Schilling, number 2 for Washington. I've done OPG before. Not a case of it, but. Hey, for Tofu, Frank Corrado autograph for $3.99. Oh, Eagles wanted a Sittler, so I'll put that in there. And Saku Koivu for Anaheim. I thought there would be way more Anaheim stuff already. For Philly, Claude Giroux, Cornerstones. And Anders Lee, rookie card number 3. That rhymes. Wow, really? Peter Mrazek autograph this time. You got the sweet patch. Now you got his normal auto. Detroit doing well. Cool. Normal version for the LA Kings. Honored selections. Marcel Dion. And for San Jose, I think San Jose's first hit. Dan Boyle, Prism. That's funny. Oh, it was Luke Shen. And Pajot, rookie card number 3. Wow. And for the Carolina Hurricanes, Zach Dolpe, exploded all over that card. And some of these packs are just ridiculous. Vincent LeCow. Hey, look at that. That's almost a stretch neck. That's almost as good a stretch neck as Carter. There you go. Hey, wait a sec. Twins? Oh, that big necks, man. Alright, next pack. Here we go. It's another Alex Pietrangelo double strike for Donald. And another Chad Ruedel rookie card for Buffalo. Yeah. We got, oh nice, out of 25 for Eagles. Prime autograph, Leo Komarov. There you go, Eag. This one for you, Chris. 18 of 25. I actually liked him. I wish I don't know if he's coming back or what. So a good hitter. Energy guy. For Linda, Fire and Ice, Big Ugly Chara. Oh, cool. And for Vancouver Canucks, Alexander Burrows, Prism, going to Tofu. Alright, 14 minutes. Get 2 more in, maybe. Inning in, 436. Man, this is like massive work. Need a couple cocktails after this break, I think, you know. Wind down. What happened? Who came? Who's his friend that came over? Oh, really? As long as it ain't Mike Commissaric, I don't care. And hey, Cameron Schilling number, who knows? Dave's got a bunch of Washington. Wow, really? For Eagles, you got a short print autograph of Leo Komarov now out of 99. I don't like Commissaric. He sucks, man. He was only good when he played with Markov, because Markov was carrying him. Hey, Conan, Prism version. What a Philly. You know, 101 or something. Select Future, Edmonton. It's Schultz. Anders Lee, rookie card number 4 for Bill. Gold Pajot. Bill, you can have Anders Lee wallpaper on your bedroom now. We got a thin redemption. Youth Explosion autograph. Lance Boma. So is that Calgary? Lance Boma, the goon. Still Calgary? Alright. I don't think they could trade him anyway, right? Fire and Ice, Bo Bennett for Pittsburgh. Yes, Todd, you're stuck. And for Detroit, Zeddy. Prism version. I'm going to get a case of 11-12 Sump certified and gift you the Calgary Flames. Oh, here we go. Number 4 of 25, Fire and Ice Prism version. Patty Kane. Nice, Bill. And Chad Ruweedle, number 4. The good thing about all those inserts is 3 of them fit in a 100-point top loader, so you guys are getting a lot of 100-point top loaders, brand new ones for free. Oh, Todd, out of 50. Nice. Roman Cervenka, Prime Auto. That's cool. You can do it right through their site, Mike. There's a link to it. Damaged cards. Wow. Nice one. For Rich in the Tampa Bay Lightning Gold autograph. Number 7 of 10, Alex Killorn. Nice, Rich. And Bill, Marian Hossa, Prism. Wrong player, yeah, sorry, Sen. At least we pulled one, that's cool. John Tavares, Cornerstones. And Jean Gabriel Pajot, rookie card number 4 or 5. Uh-oh, Boone. Boone Jenner, autograph with a $3.99. And get one more box in. Nice honored selections for the Oilers, Yeri Curry and Braden Holtby, short print for the Washington Capitals. Alright, this one is number 536. Really? That's a sign, 643, man. That's where it's at for you now. You got the horseshoe here. Ottawa goes really cheap, and they never go very fast, and they're all our bins too. So it might actually be cheaper than a case brick, because I think Ottawa goes for $3 in most of our products. And is there any team without a hit still? Alright, I'll move on this pack. Yeah, Todd's a Colorado fan. Just ask him, he'll tell you they're the best team in the world. Here, Steve Alexi, number 5. Whoa. The Jets, Eddie Pascal, autograph with a $3.99. 420 Mike. Every team's getting a hit in this one. For Dallas, Tyler Seguin, Prism version. Yeah. Cornerstones for Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaff. Yeah, Jason Axon, number 4. No Phoenix yet, really. I'm gonna pull some Phoenix. Tom Wilson, autograph out of $3.99. Washington doing pretty good, actually. I like Tom Wilson. Why, what she got for you, bud? Hey, there we go. Eagles, Fire and Ice, Joffrey Lupul. And Bobby Clark for Kepler, short print. Oh, Getzlaff Cornerstone? Okay. Hey, for Florida, Steven Pinizzato. Surprised it's the first Pinizzato. Wow, really? Out of 199, short print auto. Jonathan Huberdeau, second Huberdeau auto. Rich, kicking it with Florida. And for Nashville, Shea Weber. 3 packs. And another Justin Schultz, Select Features. Another John Muse. We need a mega hit here, guys. There's been some nice stuff, but nothing mega. Yeah, Todd, Roman Cervenka, short prints, out of 99. Double Cervenka. Oh yeah, Carlson is in this stuff too. Ooh, nice. Fire and Ice, Bo Bennett. We got a double hit again, maybe. Patrick Elias, nope. Patrick Elias for the Devils and base. So this concludes the box, and I'll see you guys on the next video.